Let's create a trial for our environment for Power Automate and Dynamics 365. First, I highly recommend you create a new profile in Chrome in order that there will be no conflicts with other Office 365 accounts. So you go to this icon, it will be different, depends on your current profile, and you go and add new profile and continue without account, and let's call it trial done. Then select done. Now we have a clean Google Chrome or Google or Edge profile, and we'll go to the link you have in the PDF in the create trial assignment. Now you can enter your email address. It doesn't matter, you can put your work address, but anyway it's important now to select create new account instead. Now you fill your name, company size, it doesn't matter, you can put 1 person, and country, select your country. Next, you receive now a verification code and verify. Now this is your trial username, you can update it if you like. For me it's fine. I'll change the username to CRM admin and you give it a password and next. Now you need to update a payment method. There is no purchase here. Microsoft will not charge you unless you confirm it, so go ahead and update your credit card. It's essential, otherwise we cannot create a trial. After you saved the payment method, we can go to get started, but I would like to manually create everything, so I will go to manage your subscription. Before that, please write down your username and password because you will need it. I'll go to manage your subscription, and now I go fast, but you see this video and you do it slowly. This is a Office 365 admin center. I'll go here and show all admin centers, Dynamics 365 apps. This is a Power Platform admin center. And here we create a new trial, a new environment. Let's give it a name. Dynamics course can be. Group is none. Region, you can change it to default. Get new features early. Yes, why not? Let's use new features. Type should be trial subscription based. Please change it to trial subscription based and click next. Language, select your preferred language. Currency, security group, here also select none for the demo. Enable Dynamics 365 apps, yes. And automatically deploy these apps, we don't need them. And click save. Now this creates the environment, our trial. It is preparing now and soon it will be ready and we will click here and open it. Here the environment is ready and we can click and open it. This is our CRM. If we want to go to the Power Automate environment, we'll click here and select Power Automate. And this is our Power Automate environment. We will change the environment to our, not from default to Dynamics course. This is the name we gave to our demo environment. And here we will create all our flows that are connected to Dynamics 365. The link for the trial will be available in the PDF task. Go ahead and create your environment.